How to change phone number on KakaoTalk. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to change up your phone number on KakaoTalk. So if you're also wondering on how to do that and you want to change up your phone number, you can follow up this method and you should be able to change up your phone number. For that, you can directly head over to the KakaoTalk application, and once you are there, you can go and open it up and just go ahead to your profile tab right here and then go ahead and select on your profile. Once you reach to your profile, you'll be finding three options on your screen: My Chat Room, Profile, and Kakao Story. So go ahead and tap on the pen icon to Profile 1, and once you reach there, you'll be finding your details. So that is phone number, adding up an email, managing your Kakao account, and different options. Since we are changing up a phone number, you can just go ahead and tap on phone number, and after that you can find in this option called change your phone number. So you can just go ahead and tap on this change phone number. After that, again, you need to confirm your Kakao account password in order to continue with the further process. So you can just go ahead and type in your password that you already have. After that, click on OK, and it will give you an option where you can change up your phone number. So here on this section, you can just go ahead and select up the country from where you are and then just go ahead and type in the phone number. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and click on OK, and that is it. After that, the changes will be applied and your phone number should be changed in your KakaoTalk as well. So that is how you change up your phone number on KakaoTalk by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.